Assalamualaikum students. Now we will discuss the topic of classification of organic compounds. Classification of organic compounds further divided into different types or classes. First type of organic compounds is open chain or cyclic compound. Open chain is also further divided into two types. Means two types of open chain is first is straight chain and other is branch chain. Means two types, first is straight and other is branch chain. Now we see the what is straight chain and what is branch chain. First we discuss the straight chain. Straight chain compounds in which carbon atom link with each other through a single, double or triple bond, and branch chain compounds in which there is a branch along a straight chain. Means carbon atoms link with other carbon atom, but the last carbon atoms does not link into the branch atom is called straight atom. But branch atom means carbon to carbon with link to each other, but the last carbon with attached with a branch is called branch chain. Now we see the example of straight chain and then you understand the topic of straight chain. First, CH3 bond CH3 means have no branch in this example, and this example name is normal ethane, and the second example is methane, ethane, propane and butane means normal butane, and the last and the middle carbons does not have branch, any branch. And the example study of branch chain, first example is isopropane, and we see the second carbon has one chain, means methyl group is attached with ethyl group, means methyl group is branch of this group, so that's why it's called is branch chain. And other example of CH3, CH3 and CH2, and this CH2 is CH3, it is not CH2, it is methyl group CH3, that's ethyl propyl means methyl group is attached with propane, that's why it's called isobutane. And further divide classes of closed chain and cyclic compounds, means first is straight chain or branch chain and other is closed chain or cyclic compounds. And also cyclic compounds have two types, first is homocyclic compounds and other is heterocyclic compounds. First is homocyclic compound is also divided into two types, first is aromatic and other is alicyclic compounds. Now we discuss the aromatic compound first. These organic compounds contain at least one benzene ring in their molecule, a benzene ring made up of 6 carbon atoms with 3 alternating double bonds of hydrogen. They are called aromatic compounds. Arrow compounds means that the molecules have at least one benzene ring. Benzene formula is C6H6, is called aromatic compounds. And alicyclic compounds means these compounds which do not have benzene ring in their molecules are called acyclic or benzoid compounds. And this example of benzoid compound cyclobutane, and this example have no benzene ring is called alicyclic compounds, but the molecule have contain at least one benzene ring is called aromatic compounds. And the compounds in closed chain but do not have benzene ring is called alicyclic compounds. And the further type is called heterocyclic compounds. Now we discuss the heterocyclic compound. Cyclic compounds that contain one or more atoms than that of carbon atoms in their rings are called heterocyclic compounds. Heterocyclic compounds means that the molecules have two or more different atoms are called heterocyclic compounds. if we see the example of heterocyclic compounds is first is thiophene, means sulfur is attached with benzene ring is called heterocyclic compound, means benzene is called organic compound but sulfur is not an organic compound. That's similarly pyridine, nitrogen is not an organic compound but is also attached with benzene ring is called heterocyclic compounds. Once again I repeat, heterocyclic compounds means that organic compounds attach with other atom, means other inorganic, means organic compounds attach with inorganic atoms is called heterocyclic compounds, and these examples of this heterocyclic compounds. Now